Hi, I'm a pen spinner.
You're a what?
A pen spinner.
A pen spinner?
Yeah, you know, we spin pens.
What do you mean?
I can do this. Why is it that whenever I tell people that I spin pens, they always seem so confused? It's only when they actually see my spinning that they say,
Oh, a pen spinner! That's so cool! Where did you learn that?
school, obviously. In reality, we were just the kind of people that would rather fidget with a stick-shaped thing instead of hanging out with friends. Because we all know, this stick is our only real friend. Pens don't drop our calls unexpectedly and fidget with their phones when we're talking with them. Instead, we get to drop them and fidget with them whenever and however we want. If someone asked me what the best part of being a pen spinner is, I'd have to say the girls, because you instantly bucket loads of them. Other than that, if you thought it would be a cool skill to impress people in class, you'd be wrong. First of all, when you start spinning in class, sure, people will think,
Hey, that's pretty cool.
at first, but then after a while, you'll be known as the annoying kid that keeps dropping his pen, and you'll have to ask the person sitting on the opposite side of the chair. There's a reason why I never spun in class. Also, if your main goal is to be impressive looking, then you're in luck, because the impressive looking things are actually really easy. Once you get to a point in pen spinning, there's literally no point in progressing if your only goal is to impress. In fact, getting actually good at pen spinning will make you look even worse, so what's the point in going beyond beginner? When I showed the 2 best World Tournament combos ever of all time to a friend that doesn't spin and asked him which one looked better, he responded by saying 100 finger passes in 1 minute by Novi was ultra pro looking, and one of the 2 World Tournament combos looked bad and the other one looked really bad. Now, I'm not saying getting the finger pass record is easy by any means, but there are many much easier things you can do to look even more impressive. Now, if you don't care about being impressive looking, then welcome to the club of spending hours on a largely useless skill other than improvement and competing. If your goal is to be the best, then I applaud you and welcome you with spinning arm to the pen spinning battlefield. The desire of being the best stems from the desire of improvement. So if you're there now, don't worry. The goal of this YouTube channel is to make a future generation of super pen spinning prodigies, and I'm doing that by providing resources you can follow along. Now, I understand not everyone is normal. If your goal is not to look impressive and it is not to be the best, then I'll ask you this. What is your goal? Do you just like doing it? Is it a way of fidgeting? If so, get a job, career, do something more meaningful with your life than being mediocre at spinning pens. Mediocrity lies in the uncertain, and uncertainness stems from mediocrity. So if you don't have that burning desire to improve, stop spinning your unwritten potential and use pens as a vehicle to navigate your road to success. Spinning the vehicle will not move you to your goals, unless your goal is to spin the vehicle and not move. If it is, then hi, I'm Tilt, and I'll turn you into the best pen spinner possible if you truly have that drive. With the secrets I'm gonna share with you on this channel, you'll be miles ahead of anyone else trying to improve at spinning pens.